Ya despierta. De mejor a menor. Cierra la boca. Ahora sí va a hacer salsa. Mira, todo lo despierta.
Jayleenn, te dieron puros vegetales porque necesitas alimentarte.
¿La cebolla?
Con la salsa. Si eres mexicana.
You like him, Nana? It's to wrap it around your trampoline end.
Remember we did that last time with the octopus?
Mhm.
Is it from you?
Mhm. Mi papá está enojado porque no le dieron nada a él.
Te voy a cobrar, Quiero.
It's 2 presents in 1.
Dos regalos en uno.
Mi mamá es mi traductora.
Se me acaba mi tiempo.
Open it. It's on the other side. Mhm. What did it say?
Happy 11th birthday, Jayleenn.
Ya se pudo.
Jayleenn, córrele, sigue abriendo los de eso. No. Sí.
It's a Gucci bag.
Daisy, tu bolsita. Jayleenn, Jayleenn, tu bolsita.
Está con Biblia y todo.
Está muy bien.
Even Daisy got excited.
Is the first my little machine
You
thing?
can try at Walmart and see if they take it. A ver, Jayleenn, ¿traes tu tarjeta? ¿Con dinero?
On the side.
¿Cuánto?
Those real.
Mira.
150, 70, 80,
Jayleenn,
80.
Daisy, Jayleenn.
She didn't know how to do math.
¿Cuánto le dieron?
Yo conté, pero se me olvidó.
A ver, agárralo. Jayleenn.
Creo que es 186. No. Where's the Carlos?
De Carlos.
Carlos,
¿Por qué? No lo escuches porque va a prender el carro de afuera.
No, but this is the one we put in the car. Oh, you're gonna look that up.
Daisy, deja su bolsita. Te la
más
dieron
alto.
a ti.
¿Qué es eso?
I know.
Mira, Daisy, lo que dijiste. Ni lo habías visto.
Nothing is to blow bubbles in this line.
No, es para mi frappe y para tu frappe. Para los dos.
Yeah.
I forgot which one's mine.
Ahorita te digo si estás ahí. Una hora de dar clase de oh, Jayleenn, para que me mande a mí.
Slime sand.
Sí, él me dijo que iba a comprar toda esa ayer y si no, va a ir ahorita mientras buscarlo. Vamos. Pueden decir al hombre que vaya si es que no ha llegado, pero él me dijo ayer que me iba a tener listo.
Ma, ¿qué es eso?
Esto es un adornito porque me voy a regalar con JAYLEEN.
Is that it? There's another one, but it hasn't gotten here yet.
It was supposed to get here yesterday and it didn't. So it's getting here today.
Ma.
A ver si va a llegar el último. ¡Surprise! ¡Para que desayunes!
I'll push it on. Oh, it's so funny. Wait,
Y su frutita.
mango, yeah.
No sé si
Marta no dura mucho, están bien maduros, tienes que comer pero
Oh, is this a letter?
Ay,
Otra vez.
A la playa, yay.
¿Cuántos años tienes?
Te amo, mi chiquita preciosa. Dios te bendiga siempre.
para muérdele.
Ahora muérdele. Muérdele, muérdele. Nada más el amarillito.
Nadie te va a encontrar.
Don't they see? Don't.
I just want to see.
Yo lo agarro porque no te caiga.
Te agarro tu cara.
I think.
Estás bien feliz, mira.
You like icing? Do you like icing?
No.
Nobody in this family likes icing. Or cake, for that matter.
Chiqui, tu pastel.
Why you always trying to make everything about her?
It's your birthday. I like it.
Que lo muerda, que lo
Oh
muerda.
my goodness.
Mira, tu pastel, Chiqui.
Now will you eat it, Nana?
Mira.
Where are we going? The beach.
I wanted to go to the beach for my birthday since I love water. So like, I wanted to go to Aquatica, but since like I think it's closed, we're going to the beach, and I'm still super excited. Let's say see the glow. I'm just so excited.
I'm gonna go ahead and go.
He's already. Oh, these people live right where the beach is.
We have a beach house. We haven't told anyone because we didn't really want to like brag because
Yeah.
we're humble,
Yeah.
but we do be having one.
Yeah.
What color is it?
I think it's more over there, right?
¿Qué color es la casa en la que trabajas? Cut that out. It's
Wasn't it like this type of?
we're painting it blue.
Yeah, we're painting it blue because it's like this grayish. Like it's kind of like that gray. It's like more greenish kind of, and we didn't like that, so we're painting it blue. Yeah. It's a big house, so it's gonna take so much.
It's like
Yeah.
5 stories.
No, no.
5 or 3. I forget because we don't really come that much.
No, it's 4, wasn't it?
I cannot see a thing. I don't know if it's recording us or not, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're here. No one helped him. We forgot about him. He struggled to get that all the way over here. And now he's just playing around with it.
Ay, ay, ay.
Look at him.
¿Qué me pasa? Bonito. Mira tu pelota. Tu pelota, ve a agarrarla. ¡Órale! Esto no.
Ya está, no nos pongan el sign. No se metan aquí.
He claimed our territory. ¿Qué haces?
Agarrándome a ver si me ando más. Así estoy igual que tu madre. Pero ya estamos iguales. Ya estamos iguales.
Allá hay pescaditos. En el amarillo.
¿Cómo te los subes?
Ma, ¿por qué los agarraste?
She got fish!
Déjalo ir. Ahorita nada más lo agarré para que lo miraran. No se lo van a llevar a la casa.
Cómanse lo mejor, ya es hora de lonche.
Let's let it go. Wait, let's let it in the beach.
Te lo tienen dado al pajarito negro.
Mira otra.
¿Qué dijiste?
This is like blood underwater.
Gonna take it away.
No. Let me go get it. Ah.
My dad over there trying to catch some fishes. And Daisy over there releasing them after they catch them. And my mom over there getting some seashells.
Pues así lo agarré. ¿Qué le agüita?
It's just a fish?
Sí.
It's a chicken and crab.
Esos están allá.
Daisy saw a shrimp.
Mira, ahí está.
Agárralos.
I thought you didn't want to catch him, Daisy. Oh, you're trying to save him?
Just for a little bit, then we'll let him
Yeah,
go.
we'll go with him. Bye.
Look how pretty this one is. I don't even think this is considered a seashell. But it's a really pretty stone looking, pebble looking thing. What is this called? A pebble? Oh, I think he escaped. He's dying.
Pues échalo ahí.
Save him.
Otros dos.
So now you're gonna try saving all of them?
Yeah, at my house. little holes?
They're crab walking.
Cállate! No, it's not.
Crabs out just walk.
That's the little crabs breathing holes. Because I watch these videos whenever.
Look. Ma! Ma!
Yeah, you like that, huh? Like my Mexican. Look at it. Maybe it's not getting
Okay, go ahead, Daisy. What were you saying?
Anyways, if you get like a long pipe or something, then you stick it in there to find the crabs, and then you pull it out and you drop all the dirt, and maybe there'll be, I don't think it's crabs, no, it's not crabs, it's oysters. Oysters, pa, tú me dices crabs, yo me estoy confundida y le estoy diciendo falsa información. You stick it and then there could be oysters or some plant looking thingies, and then people eat those. But
Show us how.
I don't have a big old pipe.
Go get one.
Oh my. Do it in a capsule.
I'm gonna get all the sand out for you, okay?
Please use your hand.
There it goes, both of them. Oh no. That's what y'all have to do them over there. Just gonna sit here and watch him. The mom's somewhere over there. Getting some more seashells. Look at my little toesies.
Don't mind if I do.
Just give it to the birds. I don't know, they're gone.
Smile, hurry.
They're slowly falling. Comment down below if you know what game this is. Do you know what game this is? What is it?
Love you.
Parents are strict with their rules.
Te vamos a enterrar y el otro año venimos a ver si todavía estás, ¿ok?
Acá la cabeza ahí.
Y ese ya estaba bien, ¿no?
Who wants a little Mexican burrito?
Just live here.
Si te pega mucho el sol, te voy a poner este en la cara.
He's tired. Oh no!
Can I try to get out now? Okay guys, so there's the final present and it just came. So she got me the little gummy. It's a big gummy, not the little gummy. The humongous gummy. So big. And I'm gonna take a bite and then I'm gonna freeze it. It's almost
like
big
your
on my
hand.
hand. It's so big. And I'm gonna bite the ear and then I'm gonna freeze it. It smells really good. So let me bite it.
Okay. ¿Quieres? ¿Quieres?
It's like big.
It's like big.
It's just like
Like a big gummy in your mouth, right? By the way, we just got back from the beach. That's why
It's watermelon.
she looks like this. We're just taking showers.
A little foot. Look at the stomach. It's like little belly. And now I want to freeze it.
You should have taken her to the beach.
I should just freeze it like that, right?
And left her there. Ah! Okay guys, so it's a few hours later. We're home already. We already showered and I actually took a little nap because I was so tired. I think anyone that's gone to the beach knows that after coming back you're always tired. For some reason I was really sore. I felt like I had just done a big workout. My back's still sore, my leg. But anyways, we had a good time, right Nina?
Yeah, I
Did you
had
enjoy
a
your
great
birthday?
time. Yes.
What was your favorite part?
The water. Like I really enjoyed like all the parts from the water. So one time, me and Daisy, we were gonna do a prank on Matt, and we did 2 pranks on her. So the first one was I had this long blue floaty, and then I went up to Daisy and said, "Let's prank that I'm drowning." So we went up to her with the floaty, and then we let a wave pass, and the floaty like threw me, and then I was over there like pedaling and all that, and she quickly grabbed me up, and it was so funny because she thought like if I was drowning or something. And then and then the other prank was me and Daisy got 2 buckets filled with water, and when she wasn't looking, we dumped it on her.
Oh yeah, I did record that. But yeah, we all had a good time. Ma is actually my mom. She calls her Ma. And my dad, she calls him Pa.
Pa.
So she doesn't really call them grandparents. We're just gonna go ahead and close out the video here because we're gonna continue resting. Ma and Pa actually went to get some iced coffee. So we're just waiting on them to bring us some iced coffee.
And Daisy.
And Daisy went too. That's why she's not here because she's usually with us to close out the videos. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This is basically all we did for Jayleen's birthday. Alright, well thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We'll see you guys on our next vlog. Bye!
Bye! Since Daisy's not here to say peace, peace.